everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent Art Studio. Today we're going to draw this really cool little hot dog. All right, let's get started. First we're going to draw his smile. It's a big open smile, just like that. And give him a little tongue and some teeth. Well done. Next, we're going to give him some nice big oval eyes. All right. And they can be mismatched shape like that because he's a cartoon. And then we're going to do the inner part of his eye. And then the black pupil part of his eye inside. Great job. Let's give him some eyebrows. Well done. And I just want to give him a line underneath his chin. Okay. And then let's start forming the top part of the hot dog. So just above the eye, we're going to curve up and around. All right. And then do the top part of the hot dog. He has like a little design like this. All right. Out here, we're going to curve these lines in to make the bun, okay? So it's going to go in a little bit, and down, and then out, okay? And you're going to do the same line on the other side, okay? All right, so just above here, you're going to bring it around. Okay, you're going to stop about there. And this bun is going to go around and stop about there. You might have to connect that in a second. Now let's do the bottom part of the dog. Going around like this. And do the bottom part of the dog. Well done. And then just connect this line. Okay, and the same on this side. Well done. Okay, let's give him some mustard. So he's gonna have a swirl like this of nice bright yellow mustard. Well done. And then let's give him some arms. So he is going to have one arm going up like this. All right, and then this goes around. And then he has his fist closed. So 3 thumbs are closed like that. And this thumb is kind of going backwards like this. All right. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So if you want to bring your pen across so you know it's the same, you can do that. All right. And we'll do his hand the same way. 1, 2, 3, just like that. And then his little thumb's going backwards again. Well done. All right, let's finish him off by doing some feet. So we're gonna put little sneakers on this guy. So it's gonna go down like this on both sides and make them even. All right. And then this goes out a tiny bit, wrap up to about there. Then go under here like this. You can give him some nice white shoelaces. I don't think I've ever seen a hot dog with shoes. Have you? And this goes up like this. And then lastly, you do his little front part of his shoe. Okay. And the same thing on this side. So we're going to bring it down. Okay. Wrap underneath like that. His 3 laces. And the front part of his shoe. All right, that's our hot dog all drawn. Let's color him in. I'll show you step by step on the screen what colors I'm going to be using if you'd like to follow along. I'll leave the name of the markers that I love to use in the description below, and you can get them on Amazon for $20. So they're a great deal, and you can copy and do the exact same coloring that I'm doing. All right, let's get going. so much for joining me today in this drawing this really cute little hot dog. See you next time on Tiny Talent Art Studio. Bye!